So guys, welcome to another episode. My name is Grace Mission. Actually, I'm here at a village, and if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talk live from the village. Actually, this is my home village. When I say my home village, it's because to see behind me like tea leaves. Actually, that's what we usually plant here. It's our cash crop. Maybe there are my new viewers that you may not know where tea leaves comes from. At my village, also at Nandi, people also planted tea leaves, also the Kikuyu part of them. But then here we have mixed farming. So guys, here like we have this one here, we have green berries like this one, but we don't plant them. We planted like 1 to 3 trees, like, and this is here. This is the bananas. Expect to see also that, guys. Also we have ragwarts here. This is ragwarts at on July we are going to have some ragwarts. See, they have started like coming up, bringing the flowers. Like when you see the flowers, that means that we are going to have soon. We are going to have ragwarts that we call them. The fruits are when they are ripe, they are like yellow, but small ones. Guys, enjoy the video. Continue watching until the end. Actually, here we are very much pressed. It's green. When we lose rain like 2 months, we feel like we are dead because we are never used to missing rain like Wajir people, like Turkana. But here we are pressed. As why you see everywhere is very green like this. It's very lovely, guys. And drop a comment what you think about my village. Even some of the those ones who have their houses near the side. The side is just near here, guys. It's just near here. Yeah. So guys, let me show you the side, like where, but we don't fetch water here. You can wash your clothes here, guys. You can wash your clothes here. See how the side looks. But then they have put some bananas up to here. Wakire. So guys, wakire means good morning. As from my native language, guys, that's how I can say. But then you should do you want to learn my language? Like it's very hard, and you have to come and stay like 1 month so that you would know my language. It's easy. You should know wakire, bairire, all that, like, guys. So this is it. There's some trees here, like, and the river is just here because we usually sometimes we wash our clothes here, but then nowadays we don't do it because of there is a lot of rain, and we have some catchment. That's why we can't do the washing here at the river. Yeah, so there's a lot of water here. Yeah, the tree. What's this? So we are going like this. This is our small road to the river, guys. Here, like, it's just here. It's just near here. It's just near here. This is a boundary of my brother's land. This is my brother's land here, like, but they don't have a boundary. When you are, according to here at the village, when you have come to the side, I don't think whether we have boundaries. So the water is just here, like, there's a sweet banana up there. It's very high, guys. This is how it grows. very high, even I can't reach it, and my height is just here. My height is just here. So this is the water here. It's not that much as I can say, but then guys, this is it. This is not drinking water, it's just for petting. If you want to pet, you can pet here. Maybe you stand this side here, and then you will pet it just there. So guys, there is a video that I have taken petting at the river, guys. And if you two want to recover from any internal healing, should come here, guys. And then only this one here, only the sound of the water, you feel like you should close your eyes, like I've closed like this. And then you breathe in. As you breathe in, that sound goes to your mind, and then your mind will get just relaxed, like, guys, if you have a lot of stress, just come go at the river. Like, you should hear the sound of the river. Can also bring back your mind so that you don't do what? You don't have stress. You don't have stress, guys, as I can say. So let me show you how you will do it. You close your eyes and then you breathe in for like 5 minutes. Let us do it, guys. Go. Wow! What I can hear is only the sound. Enjoy the video, guys. Yeah. Guys, this is where school fees comes from. See, they have started planting, like, they have cut some, like, guys, but here the government says when you cut one tree down, you plant like 10. That's what I can say, but I don't know 10. I just heard that, like, guys, like, now you can see they have just started planting. Like, see the size. The size is not that big, guys, and I can show you where this is where people get school fees from. See what they have done here, like splitting timbers, guys. Here, this is sawdust here. Wakil. Wakil, I told you this morning, greetings. Thank you always for being here. Actually, I'm at our kitchen for those ones to remember where our kitchen is, guys. Today I have guess what is in this basket here? I have sugar. I have tea leaves. Actually, we usually use sotiki here, and I have this milk here. We have 2 of it, and now we want to do African tea. Always here at the village, all time is tea time, and that's why we are cooking tea here so that tuzongeze maisha. We usually like tea leaves because we plant it, we know where it comes from, guys. It is very hard until it comes this inside this bag. We have really done it. Our clothes are just gonna get finished because of the tea leaves. like mine here. You can see. You can see. It is black tea now. Black tea now. I have to wait. It is boiling. When it's boiling like that, we love to add milk. I love to add milk. This is how we add milk. Also, we add the other bucket. So after that, I love to wait until it's going to be ready so that we shall add. After that, we shall add sugar because everyone here in this house, we use sugar because of the hard work. I don't know, because I'm going to dig, because I'm going to do, I don't know why, because, no, drop a comment. Do you use sugar as a village people here? Guys, drop a comment. If you haven't subscribed, please go do it, because all time, I give you all time the best time. Thank you so much. So guys, you see it is boiling now, and I love to add sugar. That's enough. And then we start with a sieve. See how the color, the flavor. We don't use a tangawizi because ginger, I mean, because other people don't take ginger because of the ulcers, I think so. So after that, we leave it to get ready again in some minutes.